Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Sheiko Elementary School in West Bloomfield, Michigan, home of the Lakers, and I'm in the main school entrance in the lobby area. I just had two assemblies this afternoon, back to back. We had grades 4 and 5 in the first program, grades 1 through 3 in the second, and just along the lines of more age appropriate based on the age levels that were in attendance, but students and staff, and just an amazing afternoon with everyone here. We had LaFontaine Subaru as one of the primary sponsors, along with Greater West Bloomfield Community Coalition and the West Bloomfield Youth Assistance organization, and just to see them keep supporting such an important cause, important topics for this day and age, I think it's huge. And we think about the fact that so many of us need to keep showing more kindness. It's not always easy to do, especially if somebody's not kind to us, but we still have to be able to rise above that hate and still be able to show that type of unconditional love, right? That's why I really love the entrance to the school and just the signage all around. It's always about everyone's welcome, everyone's included. They have the sign that I had first started with the video clip here, just the word welcome in so many different languages, and to see that they are very welcoming, very open. That's what this was all about, right? The main theme was on bullying, the sub theme on look at the heart first, to be able to see someone for their heart before anything else, just like you would see your best friend, right, for their heart. And our heart's as big as our fist, and we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn that into this peace sign, where one finger's ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. But also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, in person, face to face, or virtual, through a phone screen, a text message, DM, whatever it is, we have the opportunity to uplift someone forever with an act of kindness, or conversely, kind of almost destroy a life by saying something mean. And maybe we regret it, maybe we're having a bad day, but when we kind of start to understand the impact of our actions, we're a little bit more conscious of what we say and what we do, to not only see people for their heart first, but for this as well. I wear this in all my assemblies that relate to this topic, and talk about this in all my presentations, whatever the focus is, but the fact that all of us are true miracles, right? With the lines on our hands, I trace one of mine here. All of us have letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand. That M, like I say on the front of my shirt here, says and stands for miracle. Upside down, W is for worthy. We're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to buy into this, because so many people I speak to sometimes have forgotten that or never been told that, and then they need a reminder, right? And we can be that light to someone's heart if we choose to. And to know that a lot of students came up to me after, some of them, just sharing their heart with me, whether it was something that they've had a painful memory recently or a painful experience, but knowing that they can always turn that hurt into something positive, right? That hurt people, a big reason why bullying happens, I believe, but healed people heal people. And once we step into that and know that we can support each other, to know that we want to feel safe and respected for who we are, and we do that by looking past some of the outer differences, of how we're born, how we walk, talk, see, hear, learn, skin color, the languages we speak, the clothes we wear, the foods we eat. If we can look past that and look into, who someone truly is, take a couple extra seconds to get past those judgments. That's really what I was trying to convey through the heartfelt stories, the positive music, the motivational videos, some of the picture slides that are reinforcing the message, or the physical props, trying to hit these young people at every sensory level and just keep trying to hammer home those underlying themes of compassion, kindness, love, and peace. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day. Hope to be back again in the near future. Have a great rest of the school year, though, for now. And as always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.